Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is our very first vlog and we're going to take you on a real and honest journey. It should have been a dream come true, but it turned into a nightmare. At least, it started as a nightmare. Something that many camper van owners hope never to experience. But we fell right into it when we bought our first camper van. We are David
and Sarah,
and we are on a special journey, renovating our Mitsubishi L300 camper from the year 1986, and at the same time building a life with Emunah, simplicity and connection with God. And yes, it all started very differently from what we had hoped for.
For a few years I dreamt of building our own van. David always wanted a folding camper, the kind with the solid walls, like a Rapido or a Sterel. Eventually David came across a Mitsubishi L300 on Marketplace, a camper van, the perfect in-between idea. 6 months ago we bought this camper from a dealer in Emmen in the Netherlands. According to him, it was in excellent condition, perfect for taking on vacation, and he assured us that the camper was 100% technically sound. Well, that turned out not to be entirely true.
We stripped the camper, took out the curtains, the floor, just to start with a clean slate. And then we saw it. Leaks, mold in the alcove, a rotten back wall in the kitchen, a boiler that was leaking and had damaged the subfloor. But the worst part, at the garage where we decided to take it to, they discovered things that meant the camper van should never have passed its MOT. For example, a leaky head gasket, a completely worn out exhaust. Many things were broken or had to be replaced.
We called the dealer, but he didn't take us seriously. The man played a defensive game. That's logical when you know things aren't right. Defense is the first reaction. The phone call was emotionally exhausting, but he eventually promised to contact someone for repairs. However, even after 3 appointments, this repairman never showed up. In short, we were left with a broken camper and a lot of disappointment. We briefly considered taking legal action, but because of a certain advice of a lawyer, we ultimately decided not to continue with the lawsuit, purely because we couldn't get any clarity on whether our case would be successful.
But we decided not to give up. A few months later, Sarah started working on it. This camper was no longer just a camper, it became a project, a journey, a way to grow in patience, creativity, faith, and sometimes in humor, because otherwise you won't make it.
On this channel, we share our renovation of our camper, our travels, our Jewish Noahide lifestyle, and everything we learn along the way. Maybe it will inspire someone, maybe it will bring light, maybe it will just show that even a rotten camper and a nasty situation can be turned into something beautiful. We have now given our camper a name, and she is called Emunah. Emunah is a Hebrew word for trust or faith. Because this Mitsubishi L300 is from 1986 and also has 70s features such as the typical 70s brown, we choose to bring back the 70s mixed with today's modernity and a small hint of the 80s. This is also reflected in the logo of our Instagram and YouTube channel.
Thank you for watching our first vlog. We're actually curious to know if there are other people who have had such unpleasant setbacks with a camper or a caravan, so feel free to leave a comment with your experience. If you want to follow along with the renovation of the camper, our adventures with our dog Simcha, and life with Emunah, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. See you in the next vlog.